You're eating healthy, but you're still exhausted. You've cut sugar, counted steps, tried every supplement, and yet you wake up drained. The truth? It's not your age. It's that your body's been starved of real nourishment, and it starts right here in your kitchen. Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Russell, and I help women and men in midlife reclaim their energy and reinvent their lives. And I get it. There was a time I was doing everything right. I was drinking the protein shakes, morning walks, all of the shoulds, but I still felt foggy, heavy, and just off. That's when I learned something that changed everything. Your body isn't asking for more effort. It's asking for real nourishment. It all started with a simple dish, a squash and kale Wellington. Nothing fancy, just real ingredients. Butter, leeks, garlic, salt and pepper, kale, and roasted squash wrapped in a golden puff pastry. As I cooked, something shifted. I wasn't counting macros or chasing perfection. I was reconnecting with my senses, my breath, and my body. And here's the science behind why it works. Whole foods like kale and squash are loaded with compounds that literally speak to your cells. Kale supports your body's detox pathways. Squash delivers beta-carotene for cellular repair and glowing skin. And leeks, they feed your gut, which regulates mood and energy. But the real magic isn't just the nutrients. It's in what happens when you slow down enough to listen. Because every time you cook a real meal, you're sending your body a signal. I'm worth slowing down for. That's what's missing for so many of us in midlife. We've mastered doing everything for everybody else, but we've forgotten how to care for ourselves. This recipe became my reset. The sound of leeks sizzling reminds me that healing doesn't have to be loud. The smell reminds me that small rituals can rebuild joy. And that first bite, it reminds me I was still here. So if you're watching this and thinking, maybe I've been feeding everyone but myself, then let this be your sign. Reinvention doesn't always start with a big leap. Sometimes it starts with dinner. Because the truth is, your body doesn't need perfection. It needs presence. Your energy isn't gone. It's just waiting for you to come home to yourself. If you've ever felt lost after a major life change and you don't know how to move forward, I created something called the Midlife Reinvention Assessment and Blueprint, finding clarity and confidence in your next chapter. It's the step-by-step guide I wish I had when I felt completely lost. Inside, I walk you through exercises to uncover your hidden strengths, test drive new directions, and rebuild an identity that feels aligned. If you're ready to stop drifting and start designing your next chapter with clarity and confidence, check it out. The link is in the description.